Hello guys, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the new camera we just purchased from Best Buy. This is the EOS Rebel SL2, and right here I'm just showing you the items that comes inside of the box here. So yeah, we're just gonna go through all the paperwork to show you what all comes in the box with the camera right here. This book was too big for me to read right now, so I'm just gonna put that to the side and we'll get to that later. Right here I'm just showing you the register for the EOS camera. That's something we'll have to do later. So here's what you all have been waiting for. This is everything that's outside of the box here. There's nothing else inside of the box, as you can see here. So right now we're just going to get into the items that comes inside of the box. Right here is the Canon camera holder. It holds the camera. What is it? I forgot what it's called. It's a strap. That's what it is. It's a strap. So this is the Canon camera strap for the EOS Rebel SL2. And here I'm just showing you like how it all looks and everything. And the name that's on is pretty cool. I've never had like a professional looking camera before. So yeah, just gonna set that to the side. And here is the battery pack for the camera. I'm just showing you what it looks like. Pretty cool. And this one is actually the charger for the battery. You plug it inside of the wall. Some of them, they come with a cord to it because they don't have like the part to plug into the wall, but we have that part, so that's pretty easy, and yeah, we don't have to deal with all the cords and stuff. And this one is the lens for the camera. It's pretty thick. And right here I'm just showing you all the little gadgets that comes on side of the lens. It's a lot to deal with. Try not to break it. So yeah, you just pop those two items off the lens and you just turn the little side part, and that's where the lens extend to get a better picture or a better zoom. And this one right here is the prize position. This is the camera, you guys. I do that little dramatic opening. So here I'm just showing you what the camera looks like. This part opens up. Sorry about the fingerprints. This part here, it turns to you want to turn that camera around to have it facing towards you. You can see yourself in the viewfinder and everything. So that's pretty cool. We don't have to like turn the camera around and not see ourselves. Then we'll be looking crazy in the camera and y'all gonna come for us. So here is another part you have to pop off to get to the bigger part of the camera where you attach the lens to. Just showing you what that looks like. And here is the difficult part that I had a difficult time putting together because I don't know anything about cameras. So you just twist this until it finds its latch to latch onto. As you can tell, I'm like really into trying to put this lens on the camera. I almost called Javon, but I was like, you know, I got this. I can put this on. Boom. Your girl got it, bro. So it looks all professional stuff. I feel like a photographer with this camera. It's all neat. And here I'm just exploring the camera, just looking around and everything. This is the part where you put the battery and also the SD card in. It's at the bottom of the camera. I'm just showing you what that looks like. As I get closer, my back was kind of hurting a little bit. So yeah, just showing y'all how to insert the battery into the battery slot. Come on, Shy, you can do it. You can do it. It's okay, we're gonna try it again. There it goes. So yeah, close that up. And it's like a little switch on the top of the camera. You just turn it and it turns the camera on. And this white screen, I was actually trying to show you all like the different settings and everything that comes on the camera, but obviously it didn't show. So here I'm just messing around with the camera, trying to get an idea of how to use it and all of that good stuff. I'm just pressing random buttons. I really don't know what I was doing here. I was just pressing random buttons to get familiar with the camera. This is the switch I was telling you about to turn the camera on and off, and it also has a part where you go to record. So it has on, off, and then it has record. And here I'm just showing you how you can turn it around to see yourself. If you wanted to vlog yourself or take a picture of yourself, you can turn it around like that. Now this is the part right here. I was trying to figure out how to put this thing, this strap on the camera. So yeah, I'm just looking at like, how exactly is this supposed to go on here? But you gotta play around, mess with stuff before you actually get it to work how you want it to work or how it's supposed to work. So right here, I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna just put this on later, whatever. So yeah, but yeah, just playing with the camera at this point. It's pretty cool. Now here, you guys, is the part where most people would be like, oh, it's broke, I don't know how to take this off. You can't take it off just like that. On the side is a button. You press down on it and then you twist the lens and it comes right off. Easy.